Hi Gemini, welcome back to Omkara Tarot, and today we're going to be doing a them reading. Yes, I know you guys are waiting for your you and yours reading, but being the end of June, I thought, let's wait for the new energies to set in July and then we'll do the in-depth reading. Today we're going to just see how they are feeling about this connection. Okay, so if you're interested, stay tuned in and let's begin your reading. And these are general collective readings. Gemini will not resonate with all of you. Please keep that in mind. Take what works for you, leave the rest. So let's begin. My angel spirit guides, please bless this reading for Gemini and send them the messages they need to hear the most right now. Thank you. So Gems, let's begin your reading. Welcome back all my subscribers. Thank you for being here. And Gems, if you're new here, of course, we welcome you as well. Do join us, subscribe to the channel, become part of us. We welcome you in. So Gems, your partner seems to be making a decision. Oh, okay. If any of you are looking for a personal reading, Gemini, my email is in the description box below. You can reach me there. Gemini, yes, maybe a commitment was the topic of discussion here, I don't know, but somebody definitely is trying to bring some structure back to their life. So we're talking about Gemini's partner, right? The energies can flip, sometimes they're vice versa, but the way I'm going to read it is like this is your partner. So Gems, your partner is kind of sick of the conflict. They don't want to fight anymore, they don't want to be in competition anymore, and they've kind of making a decision for themselves. I'm sorry to say this person could be kind of checking out other options. Maybe they're checking out to see if there's somebody else out there, I don't know, because there's been too much of a delay in maybe you committing to them or a commitment coming to this connection. So let's clarify this much and then we'll see what's going on. Five of Wands spirit in reverse for Gemini's partner, person. They feel you didn't make any move, maybe Gemini. There was no action taken. They sometimes feel that, I'm sorry, this is your person's perception. They feel that you could be a bit selfish and a bit, self-centered, and it's always going to be your way or the highway, and you always want to be the boss, and you don't care, who gets hurt in the mix. And yes, they want to make a choice now. What's this choice, spirit? Yes, they've been hanging on for a very long time. They've been in limbo, I think, waiting for you to make a decision. They are now seeing that nothing has fruitified till now, no commitment has been offered, there is no promise of the future, and they are trying to now kind of guard their energy or hold back maybe. So what's the Seven of Cups, spirit? Seven of Cups, Seven of Cups, Seven of Cups. Yes, they seem to be walking away, Gems. They seem to be walking away, maybe going out to check out other options. Be careful. Okay, so like I said, this energy could be flipped, Gems. This could be you walking away because your partner is not kind of... so use it the way you want to for your, everybody will have a different side that they'll take. But I'm reading it as this is your person. So why are they walking away, spirit? Nine of Pentacles in reverse. They feel you creating too much of a delay, Gemini, and they kind of know that you do care and you may have a lot of love for them, but they also feel that you never ever open yourself emotionally. You always hide your feelings and never show them how you truly feel and just keep delaying the inevitable talk or whatever. So what happened in the past, spirit? Judgment in reverse. Something came to an end. Yes, in the past, I think something happened here, Gemini, where they made a decision that this chapter should now be shut because they got tired of the waiting. Gems, look at this. Judgment in reverse, World, and the Ten of Swords in reverse. So something, they either came to some kind of a realization, maybe they stayed waiting, confused for a very long time, waiting that, some commitment will come. But since it hasn't, I think this person is now on their way out looking for other options after spending some time waiting around, waiting for this waiting for you to kind of open up and express yourself. This person is on the verge of turning their back to this connection, gems. 3 of Wands in reverse. Yes, they feel there's too much drama here. There's too much of in and out behavior. It's not consistent. It comes in quick and it leaves as fast, this connection or your interactions, and they feel enough of this drama. I have to make a choice and a firm decision that I'm not going to be in limbo forever. This person has got their sword up, gems. Somebody's got their sword up to say they see clearly now. They're trying to make some very head over heart decisions. Of course, after this, gems, I'm going to do your dialogue cards as well to see if they want to say something to you, right? But let me finish reading the cards first. So why are they showing up as the Queen of Swords, Spirit, in their self position? Yes, they feel they've been carrying all the burden in this connection and you are not participating. They just want a balanced connection. See, this is how they feel, that I'm the only one carrying all, the 10 wands. And they feel maybe you're not sharing their load, Gemini. And that's kind of tired them out. They've waited, holding, the back must be hurting if they've been waiting for a very long time. They're planning now to kind of bring back some healing to their hurt back, I think now, gems. And they're working towards healing themselves. They're working towards bringing their own life back into balance and harmony. This is a very head over heart decision that, you'll take a very logical approach to say, okay, so much time has gone by. I have waited. Yes, there was a connection, but I don't see this person opening up to me. So how long am I going to wait? I think it's time for me to kind of, give up and maybe see if I can find someone who will open up to me. How do you see them, gems? You see them in your own card, the Lovers. This is how you see them. So what's this Lovers card, Spirit, for Gemini? Why does Gemini see their partner as... You are very attracted to them, Gemini. You still want to have a conversation with them. You want to send those sweet texts or messages again. You want to start a brand new chapter maybe again with them. You want to have victory in this connection, from what I see. You feel, the only thing is that even though you're very attracted to this person, you feel to gain victory or to make any kind of momentum or forward progress in this connection, you will have to make that choice. You know that without making a choice, it's not going to work. You will not have victory with this person till you kind of say, okay, I've made that decision and I offer you a brand new start. You know it's not going to happen. So what is your person's biggest hope or dream? Queen of Wands. This person is, yes, this person does like you. They do like you a lot, Gemini. They see you as very attractive. All they want is you to take control of the situation. They want to respect you in the sense where, you say, do and act in a position of the emperor, right? And at the present moment, they may be seeing that you're not doing so, and they feel that's very immature behavior, and because of that, they're not very sure whether they want to reconcile or they want to get back together. They feel it's better that I start working on myself and my own projects, and I move on and I become the best version of myself for me, and keep moving, keep it moving. But do they love you? Yes, they do. They really, really do love you, Gemini. They think you are a soulmate, you're a past life connection. They really do want to find this happiness and peace and harmony with you. They think that you're their other half. It's just that I feel they're a bit disappointed at, no action being taken. So they're trying to use their free will to maybe choose another direction. If they could have their way, they would really hope and wish that you would kind of level up and do the right thing. So what's this Hermit card, Spirit, in reverse? From what I see right now, Gemini, your person is taking stock. They're taking stock at all the time that has been spent in investing in this connection, and they don't seem very satisfied, I'll be honest with you. They feel not enough time, effort, investment has been put by you, and they are coming to that place where they feel instead of staying stuck forever and making an unwise decision for myself, it's better that I come out of waiting. Like they've probably been alone and waiting in hermit mode for a very long time, stuck on you, right? They feel if you're not going to invest, then it's better that they drop this connection. I'm sorry to be the bearer of bad news, but this is what they're feeling right now. It's not written in stone. They do love you very much. All they want is some action from you, Gemini. They want you to open up. They want you to be that, king with that big cup that you'll offer to them. Be open with your emotions and take charge and control of the situation. So what's this Hierophant spirit? Why was this the underlying energy of the reading? Yes, they just want to bring back some kind of a structure to this connection where they are not confused all the time and they're always overthinking. They want to come out of wondering where this connection is going to go. They just want to know. They just want to know that you guys are together and what your future plans are. They just don't want to be confused forever, waiting around you and guessing how you feel about them. So let's do your dialogue message cards now and see if this person could say something to you, what that would be. But gems, before that, we'll take our angel blessing card. Let's see what my angels have to say. Blessing, guidance, advice, or a message by angels for Gemini. Learning experience. This is a soulmate connection, that's for sure. You two have come into each other's life to teach each other something or help each other in something, Gemini. So what this person is feeling is correct. You guys have shared many lifetimes together. There is a reason for why you guys have connected. And the quicker you guys, I think, see what this connection is all about and can do the right thing, the better for you, I feel. Okay, so now let's take some dialogue message cards and see if this person could say something to you, gems, what that would be. Gemini's person spirit, if they could say, I'm going to put this back. Gemini's person spirit, if that Gemini's person could say something to them, what would that be? Gemini's person. One more. Thank you. And I'm going to take a couple more from here, gems. Okay. All right. Good to go. Let's see what Gemini's person wants to say to them. The thought of you being with you one day is what gets me through today. See, they have been waiting. They have been just waiting that one day we'll be together. And they say, yes, the thought of you being with you because they love you so much. One day is what gets me through today. When I miss you, I don't have to go far. I just have to look within my heart and soul because that's where you are. They know this connection is a fated connection. This is a soulmate connection. You guys have probably felt that connection when you get together, that this feels like home. We've known each other forever, right? So this person knows, and they also know that they can feel your aura and your energy around them even when you guys are not together. Every night, I just want to be home. Isn't that just what I said? Every night, I just want to be home, and home is in your arms. My mind is in turmoil, trying to figure out how I can fix the mess I've made. I'm suffering from sleepless nights and feeling very low and anxious. They probably feel that they made a wrong decision, wrong choice, and the situation has become messy because too much time has gone by and they started second guessing themselves. And because of that, maybe a person is not sleeping well at night and anxious and now ready to make a clean break of it. It's the little things that you do that make you so special. There is no one in the world as amazing as you. So gems, the love is there. Okay, just that somebody needs to open up here and, kind of just kind of solidify this connection. That's all your person's waiting for. Otherwise, I think they are getting a bit anxious now, and they must be on the verge of either thinking of leaving or checking out other options. So be wary of that. Okay, so that's all I have for you, gems. Hope it worked. Leave me a thumbs up if it did. It really helps to know how many people it resonated with. Till next time then, love and light. Take care. Namaste.